Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to introduce the GLOBELAND30 Global Land Cover Data. This is the first global geo-information public product provided by China to the United Nations with extensive use. So I will demonstrate how to download this 30-meter resolution global land cover data. The web page in this screen you can directly access with this address, globallandcover.com. And then you can click the English version of this web page. So in this web page, you can see this data page on here. You can shift with this button with about and other global land service things. And you need to click this data things, okay? Data page things. After that, you can go to the data main page with this button. Click this data button. And then you can see this active map for GLOBELAND30. So here you can see as well these menus: home, data, toolbox, and about things. This is basically same with the main page of this website. So basically this data just clicked with this browse things. This is the default one. And then you can click this data with the download button. And then you can go to the different, the active map with the all the grid-based selection on here. Before going to see this details to download the data, I will firstly click this about things. And then you can see details of this product introduction. Okay, this is provided by 2019, and you can see the details of this data product with coordinate system, and this would be very important with the classification system. They used this map just to use the code with the different 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 different classification for the different land cover class: cultivated land, forest, grassland, shrubland, and wetland, water bodies, tundra, and artificial surfaces, and barren and permanent snow and ice. So you can see the detailed contents for that. So this, if you download this product, after that you can find this code for representing this land cover classification. Okay. So basic information for the coordinate system and classification system is very important for use of this GLOBELAND30 map. Also, data contents you can see on here. So you can read. So finally, you will download the zip file. This zip file contains this kind of data. Okay. And also storage units, just 3 ways. So you can see the details of this storage units for this global land cover data, 30 data. Okay. Also you can see their tiles, different tiles for the 2000 and 2010 and 2020. So also you can see data source on here. So basically this data uses the Landsat data and other China, the disaster reduction satellite. Also this China satellite also uses for the GLOBELAND30 2020 version of the data. Okay. Also you can see accuracy. All the detailed information on here. This product introduction page. Okay. Also you can see this reference. Here is the useful reference with the papers. And also you can see all the different pages for the papers, publications. So you can see all the related publication with the papers, journal papers, okay? And also you can see the news page and contact page as well. So this is the basic information with this GLOBELAND30 data, okay? So if you click this toolbox, you can see some different functions with the toolbox. But in this video, I will not use this toolbox based the presentation demonstration for the data download. Actually, I will give how to download this GLOBELAND30 data for this video, okay? So I will go back to this data download page. So if you go to this download page, you can see these tiles for that. So I will click the different version of the data. So maybe you can fully shift with the different version of data, okay? After that, if you want to, you can use these menus on here. But I will directly go to this Mekong area. Actually, I would like to compare the previous videos, the downloaded data with this GLOBELAND30 data with the previous videos. So actually I would like to set this area to download. So I will download these tiles, okay? This tile of the data, okay? So you can directly use this kind of the keyword as well as coordinate. But very easy way to download and select this tile would be the shape things. Select the shape to draw. So I will use this one, and then I will just click and drag like this one, and then you can easily find, easily select like this one. So I would like to download this tile, okay? After that, I will click this confirm button, and then you can see this selection list. So I would like to press this submit button as well, and then you can find this download application things. So registration, download and usage agreement. So you can read this kind of the requirement to agree. So data list just only one, and the file number would be just one, and then I will just click this purpose with others and usage. Mostly this kind of land cover data used by the hydrological modeling, okay? So I will just type this kind of the usage description, and then just click this agreement and just submit. So after that, you can see this message submitted successfully. So okay, actually before download this kind of things, you need to make this login ID, okay? So you can very simply make with your email. So for the use of all the contents and all the download this kind of the GLOBELAND30 web page, you need to make this kind of the login ID. So actually I already submitted this kind of data for downloading this tile, okay? So maybe you already downloaded through the email this data and then unzipped this zip file. You can find this folder. So in this folder, there are some data included. Actually, I will open this TIF data on the ArcGIS platform. So I will open this TIF data based on the previous videos, the 100 meter around land use data. So actually I used the ArcGIS platform to open this 100 meter resolution the land cover data. Okay, so I will open the downloaded data on this the background. Okay, so I will use this catalog window, and then I will open this land cover 30 meter data with this TIF file. Okay, so just drag simply, and then pyramid, I will not use the pyramid things. So okay, I already just opened this kind of data. So if you will zoom this area, actually I will not check this newly loaded data, but I would like to focus on this area. Actually, this is 100 meter data, and then reprojected with 30 meters. So maybe the data would be coarse grid just used from the previous video. Based on that, I will open this kind of things. But in this case, you can see not very detailed data included, even though they just used 30 meter based resolution. Actually, on this area, for example, for 100 grid based classification would be more detailed classification you can find, even though they used 100 meter data. But in this case, you could not see the detailed, the different classification for this area. So in this case, more different classification you can find. So in my case, I will not suggest to use this 30 meter GLOBELAND 30 data for the use of the different application, because not very detailed classification you can find. Very basic classification you can find, okay, even though they are just 30 meter based data. So you can use this data for the simplify the land use for your purpose of the land cover data, but in this case not very detailed the information included, like this 100 meter data. Okay, so I will zoom this layer, and then I just compare this kind of data with the 100 meters data. So in this video, I've just showed you how to download and open this 30 meter resolution global land cover data from GLOBELAND30 website. Thank you for watching.